Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Ethan and today we are going to talk about meeting someone new.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Hi Ethan.
Hi, Lily.
How are you today?
I am very good, thank you. How are you?
I am great. Thank you for asking.
That is nice to hear.
Today we are talking about meeting someone new.
Yes, I like this topic.
Me too.
We meet new people every day.
That is true.
Sometimes at school.
Sometimes at work.
Sometimes at a park.
Sometimes at a coffee shop.
Or on a bus.
Yes, new friends can be anywhere.
Lily, do you like meeting new people?
Yes, I do.
Why?
I like learning about people.
That sounds nice.
What about you?
I like meeting new people too.
Are you shy?
A little.
Really?
Yes, but I still say hello.
That is a good start.
I think so too.
What do you usually say first?
I say, hello, my name is Ethan.
Very simple.
Yes, simple is good.
Then what do you say?
I ask, what is your name?
That is a great question.
Most people answer with a smile.
Smiles are friendly.
Yes, a smile helps a lot.
I agree.
What do you say after that?
I say, nice to meet you.
That is a very common sentence.
Yes, many people use it every day.
Then I ask, where are you from?
Good question.
People often enjoy talking about their hometown.
Yes, it starts a nice conversation.
If someone says, I am from Canada, what can you say?
You can say, that is wonderful.
Or, I have always wanted to visit Canada.
Yes, that keeps the conversation going.
We should also listen carefully.
Listening is very important.
Yes, good conversations have talking and listening.
That is true.
Lily, what if someone asks, how are you?
I can say, I am fine, thank you.
Very good.
Or, I am doing well.
Yes.
Or, I am great.
Very natural.
Then I ask, how are you?
Exactly.
We ask the question back.
That is polite.
Let us imagine we are meeting for the first time.
Great idea.
Hello.
Hello.
My name is Lily.
Nice to meet you, Lily.
Nice to meet you too.
My name is Ethan.
Where are you from?
I'm from Australia.
That is interesting.
Thank you.
Do you live there now?
Yes, I do.
Very nice. Where are you from?
I am from England.
Wow, that is nice.
Thank you.
Do you like living there?
Yes, I do.
What do you like?
I like the parks.
That sounds relaxing.
It is.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I do.
How did you meet them?
I met them at school.
That is great.
Some are my classmates.
Some of my friends are my neighbors.
That is nice too. We often walk together.
Sounds fun.
It is fun.
Do you enjoy talking with new people?
Yes, but I feel nervous sometimes.
That's normal.
Really?
Yes, many people feel nervous.
That makes me feel better.
You are not alone.
Thank you.
A friendly hello is enough to begin.
Yes, one simple sentence can start a new friendship.
I like that idea.
Me too.
Let's continue talking about how to make a good first impression in the next part.
Yes, we have many more useful English expressions to learn together.
Welcome back. Let's continue our conversation.
Yes, we are talking about meeting someone new.
Ethan, what is a good first impression?
I think it means people remember you in a good way.
I agree.
A smile is important.
Yes, a smile looks friendly.
Looking at the person is also important.
Yes, eye contact shows you are listening.
But do not look too long.
That is right.
Just look naturally.
Good advice.
Thank you.
Clean clothes are also nice.
Yes, you do not need expensive clothes.
Just clean and neat clothes.
Exactly.
Kind words are important too.
Yes, kind words make people feel comfortable.
Ethan, where can people meet someone new?
Many places.
Can you give some examples?
At school.
Yes.
At work.
Good.
At the gym.
Nice.
At a library.
I like libraries.
Me too.
Anywhere else?
At a park.
Yes.
At a coffee shop.
That is true.
Even online.
Yes, but always be careful online.
That is good advice.
Let us imagine another conversation.
Great.
Hello, is this seat free?
Yes, it is.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
My name is Lily.
Nice to meet you, Lily.
Nice to meet you too.
My name is Ethan.
Do you come here often?
Yes, I come here every Saturday.
Really?
Yes, I like reading books.
What kind of books do you like?
I like storybooks.
That sounds fun.
What about you?
I like travel books.
Oh, really?
Yes, I love learning about new places.
Me too.
Maybe we can share books one day.
That is a great idea.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That conversation is very simple.
Yes, simple English is enough.
You do not need difficult words.
Short sentences are easy to understand.
That is true.
Now let's learn some useful vocabulary.
Great idea.
The first word is introduce.
Introduce means to tell someone your name.
Example.
Let me introduce myself.
Very good. Another word is friendly.
Friendly means kind and nice.
Example.
She is very friendly.
Excellent. Another word is neighbor.
A neighbor is a person who lives near your home.
Example.
My neighbor is very kind.
Very nice. Another word is classmate.
A classmate studies in the same class as you.
Example.
My classmate helps me with English.
Perfect. Another word is conversation.
Conversation means people talk together.
Example.
We had a nice conversation.
Excellent.
Now let's practice some useful sentences.
Good idea.
Hello, my name is Lily.
Hello, my name is Ethan.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I am from Australia.
What do you like to do?
I like reading books.
That sounds interesting.
Thank you.
I hope we can be friends.
Me too.
These sentences are very useful.
Yes, you can use them every day.
Now let's talk about grammar.
Keep it simple.
We often use the verb to be.
Yes.
I am Lily.
You are my friend.
He is Ethan.
Very good.
Listen again.
I am.
I am.
You are.
You are.
He is.
He is.
She is.
She is.
We are.
We are.
They are.
They are.
Excellent.
Now let's learn one regular verb.
The verb is work.
Today I work.
Yesterday I worked.
We add ed.
That is a regular verb.
Now an irregular verb.
The verb is meet.
Today I meet my friend.
Yesterday I met my friend.
Not meted.
We say met.
Let's repeat.
Meet.
Met.
Meet.
Met.
Very good.
Here is another example.
Today I see my teacher.
Today I saw my teacher.
See.
Saw.
Good job.
Now let's talk about pronunciation.
Good idea.
Listen carefully.
Today I see my teacher.
Slowly.
Today I see my teacher.
Very clear.
Try saying it with us.
Today I see my teacher.
One more time.
Today I see my teacher.
Excellent.
You are doing a great job.
Learning English takes time.
Practice every day.
Even 10 minutes helps.
Yes, small practice every day is very good.
Before we continue, we have a question for everyone listening.
Where did you meet your newest friend?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We would love to read your answers.
Thank you for learning with us.
Now, let's continue with more real conversations in the next part.
We will practice many more easy English sentences together.
Welcome back again. We are happy you're still with us. Today, we are learning how to meet someone new.
Yes, let's practice more together.
Ethan, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Let's imagine we are at a park.
That sounds nice.
The weather is sunny.
There are many people.
Some people are walking.
Some people are running.
Some people are reading.
I am sitting on a bench.
I walk to the bench.
I smile.
Hello?
Hello.
Is this seat free?
Yes, please sit down.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
My name is Lily.
Nice to meet you, Lily.
Nice to meet you too.
My name is Ethan.
Do you come to this park often?
Yes, I come here every weekend.
Why do you like this park?
It is quiet.
That is nice.
The trees are beautiful.
I like the trees too.
The flowers are very colorful.
Yes, they are beautiful.
Do you like walking?
Yes, I walk every morning.
Really?
Yes, it helps me feel happy.
That sounds healthy.
Thank you.
Do you also exercise?
Yes, I exercise 3 times a week.
Great job.
What about you?
I like riding my bicycle.
That sounds fun.
It is.
How long do you ride?
About 1 hour.
That is wonderful.
Thank you.
Do you come here alone?
Sometimes.
Sometimes?
Yes, sometimes I come with my brother.
That is nice.
We like talking together.
Family time is important.
I agree.
After talking for a few minutes, you know a little about me,
Yes,
and I know a little about you.
that is how friendships begin.
One small conversation,
One friendly smile.
one kind question.
Exactly.
Now, let's imagine another place.
Where are we now?
We are at a coffee shop.
I like coffee shops.
Me too.
I am waiting for my coffee.
I am waiting too.
The line is a little long.
Yes, it is.
I look at you and smile.
I smile back.
Hello.
Hi.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
Welcome.
Thank you.
The coffee here is very good.
Really?
Yes.
What do you usually drink?
I usually drink a latte.
I like tea.
Tea is nice too.
Do they have tea here?
Yes, they have many kinds of tea.
Great.
I think you will like it.
Thank you for the suggestion.
You're welcome.
Have you lived here in this city for a long time?
Yes, about 5 years.
I moved here last month.
Oh, welcome to the city.
Thank you.
Do you like it here?
Yes, the people are very friendly.
I'm happy to hear that.
Maybe you can tell me about some nice places.
Of course.
Really?
Yes, there's a beautiful park.
Nice.
There's also a big library.
I love libraries.
There's a good restaurant too.
Wonderful.
You should visit it someday.
I will.
Great.
That conversation was very natural.
Yes, we asked simple questions.
We listened carefully.
We answered politely.
That is the key to a good conversation.
Now let's learn a few more useful words.
The first word is welcome.
Welcome is a friendly word.
Example.
Welcome to our city.
Very good.
The next word is quiet.
Quiet means not loud.
Example, the park is quiet.
Excellent. The next word is suggestion.
A suggestion is an idea.
Example.
Thank you for your suggestion.
Very good.
Next word.
Exercise.
Exercise helps your body stay healthy.
Example.
I exercise every morning.
Perfect.
Now let's practice a short conversation together.
Hello.
Hello,
My name is Lily.
my name is Ethan.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I am from Australia.
Do you live here now?
Yes, I do.
Do you like this city?
Yes, I like it very much.
Why?
The people are friendly.
That is wonderful.
Thank you.
Would you like to have coffee someday?
Yes, that would be nice.
Great.
See you soon.
See you.
Goodbye.
That was easy.
Yes, simple English can help you make new friends.
You do not need long or difficult sentences.
Just be kind, smile, and speak clearly.
Before we finish today's lesson, we have one more question.
What is the first thing you usually say when you meet someone new?
Please share your answer in the comments. And if you're enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
We still have one more part to go.
In the final part, we will review everything we learned and say goodbye.
Let's continue together in the next part. Welcome back to the final part of today's podcast.
We are so happy you are still listening.
Today we learned about meeting someone new.
Yes, we learned many useful English sentences.
Let's review them together.
Great idea.
What is a good way to start a conversation?
Say hello,
Very good.
then smile.
Yes.
Next, tell the person your name.
For example, hello, my name is Lily.
Then ask, what is your name?
Very easy.
After that, you can say, nice to meet you.
And the other person can answer, nice to meet you too.
Excellent. Then ask a simple question.
Like, where are you from?
Or, what do you like to do?
Or, do you come here often?
Those are friendly questions.
Yes.
They help the conversation grow.
What should we do while the other person is talking?
Listen carefully.
That is right.
Do not interrupt.
Good advice.
Smile and show interest.
You can also say small phrases.
Like, really?
Wow,
That sounds interesting.
that sounds fun.
I agree.
That is true.
These short sentences make conversations feel natural.
Exactly.
Now let's practice one last conversation.
Hello,
Hi.
my name is Lily.
Nice to meet you, Lily.
Nice to meet you too.
My name is Ethan.
Where are you from?
I am from Australia.
That is wonderful.
Thank you.
What do you like to do?
I like reading and riding my bicycle.
That sounds fun.
What about you?
I like walking in the park and reading books.
We both like reading.
Yes, we have something in common.
That is a great way to make friends.
I agree.
Maybe we can read together someday.
That would be nice.
See you again.
See you.
Goodbye.
Great job. That conversation was simple and friendly.
Now, let's review today's vocabulary.
The first word is friend. A friend is someone you like and trust.
Example,
My friend is very kind.
very good.
The next word is kind. Kind means nice and helpful.
Example,
She is kind to everyone.
excellent. The next word is smile.
A smile makes people feel welcome.
Example,
He has a big smile.
wonderful.
The next word is question.
A question asks for information.
Example,
Can I ask you a question?
perfect.
One more word.
Conversation.
A conversation is when people talk together.
Example,
We had a nice conversation.
great.
Now, let's review today's grammar.
We practiced the verb to be.
I am.
You are.
He is.
She is.
We are.
They are.
Excellent.
We also learned regular and irregular verbs.
Work becomes worked.
Meet becomes met.
See becomes saw.
Very good.
Remember to practice these words often.
Practice helps you improve.
Even a few minutes every day is helpful.
Read simple English.
Listen to easy English.
Speak English out loud.
Do not be afraid of mistakes.
Everyone makes mistakes.
Mistakes help us learn.
Keep trying.
Keep smiling.
Keep speaking English.
You can do it.
Before we say goodbye, we have one last question for you.
Imagine you meet a new friend today.
What will you say first?
Think about your answer.
Then practice saying it out loud.
You can even practice in front of a mirror.
The more you practice, the more confident you will become.
Confidence grows little by little.
We believe in you.
Thank you for learning English with us today.
We hope this conversation helped you feel more comfortable speaking English.
If you learned some new words today, we are very happy.
Thank you everyone for listening.
We enjoyed spending time with you.
We will be back with another easy English conversation soon.
Keep practicing every day.
Keep learning.
Keep smiling.
Have a wonderful day.
Take care.
Goodbye, everyone.